Today's content relative clause. My dear sweet students, now we are going to discuss about the relative clause. A clause that works as an adjective is called relative clause. It is also called the adjectival clause as it does the work of an adjective. That means this clause works as a describer of a noun or a pronoun, and it expresses a relation to a noun or a pronoun. According to opinion of P.C. Das, an adjective clause or relative clause is used as an adjective to qualify a noun or a pronoun, or it denotes relation to a noun or pronoun. The noun or pronoun with which the adjective clause is related is called its antecedent. Relative pronoun as who, which, that, etc., and relative adverbs as when, where, why, how, etc., helps to start this clause. This clause certainly sits just after a noun or a pronoun. That is why here the noun or the pronoun is considered as antecedent. In this clause, the role of antecedent is very important. So, it is very essential to make an idea about antecedent. Antecedent means ante equal to before plus cedent equal to going. It is said from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary that an antecedent is a word or phrase to which a following word, especially a relative pronouns, refers. For example, the girl whom you saw last night is my sister. In this sentence, whom you saw last night, this clause has been placed after the noun the girl. Here, the girl has been used as antecedent, and this clause is working as a describer of the noun the girl. Number 2, the doctors who treat the patients are our God. Here, who treat the patients, this clause is considered as adjectival clause, placing after the antecedent the doctors. That is why this clause is the example of relative clause. In this way, we make many examples of relative clause. As a boy who is known to me has taken my pen. Besides it, the boy who is a good singer sits beside me. In this way, we will be able to make many examples of relative clause if we follow the rules which no more today. Thank you.